Simply put, another Karen, even worse, another airport Karen. But this one is funnier than the others, man. Usually the other ones make you upset. They make you lose faith in humanity. This one is gonna put a smile on your face. Hopefully your smile doesn't end up like hers, though.
I'm making a scene because the government throws everything.
The government boy, look like she was turning to Dracula. Look like she turned to Dracula for a moment.
Damn.
So if y'all didn't know, her dentures about to start to fly out.
Even her teeth don't believe her.
Don't want to listen to her. Boy, she was dropping that knowledge so hard, her teeth flew out.
Teeth is like, nah, I don't believe you.
Nah, she look like she like the pest.
Damn it, man.
And I love the way they flew out, but that knowledge she was dropping so hard didn't phase her. She said, I'm gonna finish what I got to say. She casually put right back in.
The government throws everything.
What? Because the government betrays
She turned to Charlie.
What's that?
No, she turned to a Charlie Brown adult.
Yeah,
Those South Park
I
rednecks.
love that.
The government throws
Because the government relays. The government says good evening.
Jesus.
Oh, how much you want to bet? How much you want to bet that those dentures are there because of meth mouth?
Oh yeah,
How much you want to bet? She did so much meth that her top jaw just went away.
$1,000.
And I believe it.
Boy, I love the way them teeth got tied her ass and just tried to run away.
I heard enough.
The teeth said, I am not with this woman.
making a scene because the government throws everything.
Boy, she looked like old redneck Dracula there. Look at her. Man, she like Nosferatu. Old rat mouth.
Damn it, man.
Yeah, she looked like those hillbilly teeth you get out those vending machines.
Oh yeah.
Oh, no.
Oh yeah.
Billy Bob teeth.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
the government. yeah, Rob.
Goddamn hamburger robble.
Robble. Because the government robble. And she never got that out, what the government did. We never found out what the government was doing.
Making a
Hey,
scene because the government throws everything.
I was enthralled. I want to know what the government was doing, man. We'll never know now.
Nope.
Oh, the secret is still with her, man.
Oh, man. Well, she knew too much, obviously. The government had to shut her down
Yeah,
somehow.
maybe the government is yanking her teeth out. Oh, shit. Karen can't tell. She can't reveal these secrets.
Because the government throws everything.
Yeah. Government got their hands in everything, even your mouth.
Oh, yeah, man. You know, the conspiracies were right. They got lasers that can take your false teeth out.
Yeah, man. Stop yelling that government name around.
Boy,
Go get you.
the government silenced her real quick. Oh. Because the government, yeah, the government waffle fries.
It's like those South Park rednecks.
Because the government throws everything.
Oh well,
Calmed her ass down quick too, didn't she?
she sure did.
Yeah.
Hey, well, rest easy, government. Your secret is still safe.
Rest easy, government.
Yeah.
All of the government.
Rest easy, government. Your secret is still safe. What you say, hamburger? Because the government robble.
Oh man, the entire government. You're safe.
Yes. You're You're still okay.
Because the government controls everything.
Oh man, yeah. You may want to hang on to that one to show Billy and Martin.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, and hey,
Oh man.
hey, here's a question. Where you think she's from?
Oh, gotta be Florida, baby.
I'm trying to go to Tampa.
I'm trying to go to Tampa.
There it is. Easy.
Not
Done
Tampa,
done.
Texas. Not Tampa, California. We're trying to go to Tampa, Florida.
Oh man, that's easy.
Oh, you're gonna say Arkansas? Or some
No,
shit.
no. Arkansas don't want her ass.
No man.
She got too many government
that's-
secrets.
Oh yeah.
And of course,
That's the,
what's that?
That's that Florida nonsense. right there.
They're Floridians. At it again, man. And of course, they, you know, I was looking at this like, where they gonna get our ass? You know, because of security and the police like to just sit back and just watch people act a fool for a little while.
Oh,
And then they
yeah.
just- yeah. Then they're like, all right, let's move in.
Okay, well, I'm trying to go to Tampa to see my grandpa.
I don't think Grandpa gonna see you.
That's not gonna happen, baby.
Yeah, shit. Grandpa probably want to call police on your ass. Get this bitch.
Man, get your teeth together
Yeah,
first.
she might have been wearing Grandpa's teeth.
That's why she gotta go back
Yeah,
to see.
I gotta take Grandpa's teeth back.
Because the government controls everything.
She's smuggling Grandpa's teeth.
It's his week to wear 'em.
Yeah, her and Grandpa will not be smoking meth this Christmas together.
A methy Christmas.
Yeah, methy Christmas to you. Hey, Grandpa's at home right now. Where is she?
This is supposed to be my week. Where is she?
I'm tired of eating soup. There you go.
Oh man.
Very methy Christmas to you, is my man.
Merry Christmas to you.
Looking like a turtle.
She was supposed to be here hours ago. Somebody said, I need my uppers.